Hi, this is James Shug with Westpac London's end of day report for Wednesday, February the 8th. And it's going to be a quick one today, not too much to report, more of the same. Ongoing concerns about the Greek debt position, the latest arguments being about being within the Greek government, the parties there still having difficulty deciding exactly what austerity measures they are going to commit themselves to ahead of the election that's coming up in a couple of months. And then there's the ECB, which where there's disagreement at the top level there about whether or not the ECB should wear a bit of a loss on its holding of Greek bonds. So unresolved issues there continue to weigh on markets. Deadline after deadline just keeps getting passed, and we're getting closer to March when if Greece doesn't get the next round of bailout funds, she'll have to default. Now, there was also one bit of news that was worth mentioning. German exports fell about 4.25% in December. That's the second steep fall in 3 months. It's consistent with weak industrial production growth, with slower orders growth, and indeed probably contracting economic output in the fourth quarter. That's about it really. No major data elsewhere to report, nothing in the US. So straight on to markets. As I said, they're down, with the FTSE in London down 1/4% today. The French market's down 0.05%, very slightly off, and the German market down 0.1%. The Dow's currently off 0.3% at 12,840 heading into the New York lunchtime. Commodity prices mostly negative, with gold down 0.7%. Crude oil's unchanged at $98.49 a barrel, and copper prices are a bit higher actually, up 0.6%. The Aussie dollar's at 1.0793 against the US dollar, a little bit below its recent high, and a bit down against the euro as well. One Aussie dollar will buy you 81.3 euro cents at the moment, down from closer to 82 over the last couple of days. That's it. Markets, equities, stocks, commodities, Aussie, all done. Except to remind you that we've got the Bank of England and the ECB meetings tomorrow. Bank of England, we expect to announce another round of quantitative easing. The ECB is unlikely to announce anything at this stage, but we do expect them to cut interest rates another quarter point at some point fairly soon, and also to expand their long-term refinancing operation into more of a long-term bond buying operation, or quantitative easing if you like, at some point down the track, not too far down the track. Okay, but more on that tomorrow. Yep.